Disappointed with the dilapidated condition of road, a local team from Havarkehat had taken up the responsibility to fill potholes. Here is the report. Devastating road condition had left the commuters the most challenging task in the region. On seeing the poor condition of the road, St. Mahaldar Welfare Society, on the occasion of Karbbi Anglong Autonomous Council Foundation Day on Thursday, organized social work for filling potholes from Havarkehat tri-juncture to Samuguri bazaar for the convenience of daily commuters and small traders of the region. They had done it voluntarily without any help from the public as well as from the government.
St. Mahaldar Welfare Society open social work Secretary, President, members teman tadi. People only reclaim nang ke hangul ladak. Also Havarkehat tiniaki Samuguri bazaar an Delhi tum santi gari ke suli pe na jok penan hang tuar ilang kahin pen rata tum tehla kisung do pe na joine Delhi tum eklong pe na masuk Delhi tum welfare society hoi pen ko Delhi tum social claim to take one jai pen sipini Delhi tum claim ko hang asai.
The task was led by President Bimal Teron, Vice President Ganesh Teron, General Secretary Tonkeshwar and Finance Secretary Thang Teron along with the team. Local commuters extended their heartfelt gratitude to SMWS for this gesture towards the welfare of the society.
St. Supply Society for me as Havarkehat tinjali para amar Samuguri bazar loke ami অলপ ৰাস্তাটো বেয়া হৈ আছে আমাৰ সোসাইটিৰ পৰা আমি ৰাস্তাটো বনাইছো মানুহৰ যাতে সুবিধা হয় অহা যোৱাৰ কাৰণে এইখিনি আজি কাউন্সিলৰ ফাউণ্ডেশ্যন দে নহয় জানো কাউন্সিলৰ ফাউণ্ডেশ্যন দিয়াৰ দিনাখন আমি এই কামটো আজি উপলমে কৰি আছো এতিয়া
Dirchuna Rongpi from Phuluni and Harsing Rongpi from Havarkehat reports for Karbbi Anglong Live.